Hi, in this video I will show you how you can use the Magic Expand feature in Canva. So Magic Expand, as the name suggests, will use AI to expand your image. So as you can see here, I have this image that is pretty much horizontal, but my canvas is square. So there's this element at the top and the bottom that is basically empty, just to give you a proof that this image is really just this size. Again, double click on it and you'll see that this is pretty much the only content that this image has. So if you want to expand this image, if you want to use the AI feature, what you need to do now is you have to click on the image, click edit image, and you have to click Magic Expand. This one, this is the feature that you want to use. And then here you have the option about what is the final resolution or the final dimension of the image. Since I want to make the image to square, I think I could easily select whole page or 1:1 because that's also square. And there's also some other options like what dimension of the image that you want to have. But for now, I want to make this image to be full, which means a whole page is going to be the best option for me. And after that, click Magic Expand and just wait for the AI to think or try to create another area of the picture, and let's see what's going to look like. This process will take quite some time, and sometimes the result is not always favorable depending on the original image, especially if you have person, faces, or maybe human limbs like fingers. It could be quite challenging, but other than that, usually the result is going to be satisfactory. So it will create 4 different options, and then you can decide which one do you think is the best. Right, so this is the first one, this is the second one, and there's this one as well, this one. Well, honestly, none of them actually look quite good. So again, this is really, it really depends on the quality of the image, and also the AI itself. I don't know what AI is being used by Canva, but I believe it's probably something like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion. So maybe in the future they're going to be using a much more powerful image model, but for now I think for most cases this is going to be enough. So that's basically how you can use the Magic Expand feature in Canva.